Welcome to our Excel tutorial where we'll show you two efficient methods to convert uppercase letters to title or sentence case. We'll cover a simple formula using the proper function and an advanced technique with VBA macros. Before we begin, ensure your data is organized in columns where each cell contains the uppercase text you wish to convert. Let's start with the first method, utilizing the proper function. This function is designed to capitalize the first letter of each word and convert the rest to lowercase. In an adjacent column, type the formula equals proper, B1. In cell C2, where B1 is the cell containing the uppercase text. This will instantly transform the text in B1 to title case. Press Enter to apply the formula, then use the autofill handle to drag the formula down the column. This will apply the proper function to all cells in the range, converting each to title case. Now, let's move on to the second method, which involves writing a VBA macro. This method is particularly useful for batch converting large datasets. To start, navigate to the Developer tab in Excel and click Visual Basic, or use the shortcut Alt plus F11 to open the Visual Basic editor. In the Visual Basic editor, click Insert, and then select Module to create a new module. This is where we'll write our VBA code. Copy and paste the provided VBA code into the module window. This code will loop through a selected range of cells and apply the proper function to each cell's value. After pasting the code, save it by clicking the Save button. This will keep your macro within the workbook for future use. Return to your Excel worksheet where you're ready to apply the VBA macro. You'll find the Macros button in the Developer tab. Click on it and select the macro named Convert to Proper Case from the list. Before running the macro, ensure that your macro security settings allow the execution of macros. If prompted by Excel, confirm that you want to run the macro. Once you initiate the macro, a dialog box will appear asking you to select the source range. This is where you'll specify the area containing the uppercase text that needs conversion. Click OK in the dialog box, and then carefully select the range of cells with the uppercase letters. The macro will then proceed to apply the proper function to each cell within the selected range. As the macro runs, you'll notice the text in your selected range being transformed into title case, with each word's first letter capitalized and the rest in lowercase. Congratulations! You've now learned two powerful methods to change uppercase letters to title or sentence case in Excel, streamlining your data formatting process. Thanks for watching our tutorial. If you'd like to see more Excel tips or have any questions, please leave a comment. Don't forget to subscribe for more informative content.